Hi, this is Karina from Kärma Sounds. We're at Gilt & Co, downtown Vancouver. It's going to be a fantastic night. Let's go.
Light me up, you're the sun on a cloudy day. Words on the tip of my tongue.